Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss very important topic, demographic and lifestyle. So what do you mean by demographic? It's related to the segmentation, demographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation is nothing but income, age, income, gender, occupation. So these are the things covered under the demographic. If you're going to manufacture any product, uh, you have to depends upon the demographic only you can design. So that's only we are saying that consumer data that is objective, quantifiable, easily identifiable, and measurable. So objective in the sense every organization they are going to framing the objective depends upon this demographic segmentation, because we are going to manufacture that. After manufacture your product, you can focus on the demographic profile. So demographic profile in the sense age, income, gender, you can collect the data from the customers, right? So depends upon the customers, you can fix the objective and you can focus on that. For example, if you're focused on adults, if you are focused on kids, if you're focused on women or whatever it is, right? So depends upon that you are going to fixing the objective for your organization. Then everything it will be quantifiable. For example, if you take it as a age, income, gender, so everything it will be quantity. For example, age means 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, like that, 50 to 60. Then income 10,000 to 20,000, 20,000 to 30,000, and 30,000 to 40,000, and above 40,000, right? So easily identifiable and measurable. That's only we are saying it's a demographic. Next, lifestyle, ways in which consumers and families live and spend time and spend money, right? So for example, we already discussed related to the example. If you take this lifestyle, in traditional days, if you got holiday means everyone you can join in the home and you can cook and you can enjoy your food with your relatives or neighborhood, like that. But now in the lifestyle it will be completely different. If you got the holidays means you can go outside like mall or hotel, and you can take lunch or dinner, and you can come to, you can come back to home, right? So the lifestyle is completely different, and also income level also it will be increasing, right? So depends upon some of the income it will be allocated for the shopping purpose only. Okay, so understanding consumer lifestyle, social factors. So in the social factors, culture, reference group, time utilization, less time shopping, family life cycle, bachelorhood to children and solitary, household life cycle, life stage for both, social class, culture. So in that culture, it will be differ from one country to another country. So it's a major factor for that social factors. So culture, because Indian culture it will be different from the US or UK culture, and in that organization also we can adopt all the culture peoples. So reference group is nothing but you know about your relatives or your friend circle or anyone. For example, if you purchase any product, you will get the reference and you can purchase the same product. For example, if you take a mobile phone, MI and like that. For example, I purchased a mobile phone in MI 9 power, right? Note 9 power. So I suggested with my friends, somebody they are seeing my mobile phone, they are asking, so what is the cost of the mobile phone? What about the quality? So I said its quality is good and it will be long lasting. We are using. So there is no problem. So they got that. Then they are also they got the reference and they will buy that particular product. And time utilization, less time shopping, because in the current modern world everyone we are going through that online. So in the time utilization it will be very effective. Time is precious, so less time shopping. And family life cycle also, bachelor to children, so it will be differ in each stage. So that's only we are saying that. For example, bachelorhood, they are taking the some very simple items like that, noodles or simple food, that will be more than enough for that. Depends upon the small income of that family. Children also we have to focus, kids and needs and desire you have to satisfy. And household life cycle in the sense life stage for both. So if you're going for that job means the lifestyle will be differ, and if you are staying at home, that will be differ. And social class is nothing but society. So you have to maintain the lifestyle. And these are the things covered under the lifestyle, understanding the consumer lifestyle and social factors. Last, finally, psychological factors. So, understanding the consumer lifestyle and psychological factors in the sense of personality, attitude, class consciousness, desire, and pursuing social status, purchase importance, and spend time, perceived risk. So, personality is very important for the psychological factors, because if you're purchasing any product, somebody they are purchasing luxurious, that's only they're going to maintain my personality, to maintain the status. Same like that attitude, they're having that attitude. For example, if you purchase that LG refrigerator, the quality is good, so again they manufacture that TV from that LG, so I'm ready to purchase in that LG. So attitude, it will be okay, in this brand the product is good, so definitely in this product also, definitely the product will be effective, and definitely if we will purchase means definitely it will be useful for that, right? So class consciousness and desire and pursuing. So these are the things covered under that psychological factors. So now you clearly understand about the retail management, all the concepts. You're starting from that introduction to understand the consumer lifestyle, then segmentation, targeting, positioning. So many things we discuss. Now you clearly understand, right? Okay. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.